Welcome to Sang's Mathematics, and today we want to solve the following for x. Check your answers in each case. Okay, so by doing that, we would write our math. So we're going to work out A together, and then you can do B on your own. So it would be A that would be 5x minus 2 equal 3x plus 4. And in order to work this out then, we want to put all the x's on one side and put the whole numbers on the other side. Alright? So in order to do that, we have to work out by, if I want to move this minus 2, I would have to add 2 to this side. Right? And if I would add 2 to this side, I would also have to add 2 to this side. Right? To keep the equation balanced. Okay? So adding 2 to both sides. So it would be 5 x minus 2. Now we're going to add our 2. Right? So whatever I do to one side, I have to do to the other. So I plus 2 here. Okay? And then I would have to put a plus 2 on this side as well. Plus 2. So now we can just add the changes that we have made. If I have 2, if I take away 2, I have a negative 2 and I had 2, right? So that will be just the 0. So it's like I'm saying that I owe 2, right? I owe $2. When I pay my $2, I no longer owe any money, so I owe $0. So this will be cancelled. So what would left is the 5x. So this would just cancel out. Right, has to be 0. So what would left is 5x on this side. And that would equal to 3x. Okay, so I can just add the 4 to the 2 here. So 4 plus 2, that's 6. So that would be plus 6. So now I want to have the x's on both sides. So what I could do, I could just, if I want to take away this x, the 3x from this side and put it over here, I have to do the same thing to both sides. So I can take away 3x from this side, as well as I have to take away 3x from this side. Alright, so let's do that. So it would be 5x so it will be take away 3x. So if I take away 3x from this side, I have to do the same to the other side, equal to 3x minus 3x plus 6. Okay, so now 3x from 3x, that would leave 0, so this would cancel out right here. We cancel that. Alright, so what would leave here now is if I take away 3x from 5x, what would leave is 2x. So this would equal to 2x equal 6. So they put our equal sign. Yeah. Alright, so now we have 2x is equal to 6, right? So if I have two things, if I have 2x equals 6, right? What would I have to do is to 2 times x would give you 6. That's multiply. The opposite of multiplication is division. So I have to divide both sides by 2 in order to get the value of x. So if you can look at it this way, if I have two things cost $6, how much one thing costs? Right? So if two things cost $6, if you divide it by 2, you get what? Which would be, in this case would be 3, but let's work it out. So it would be 2x upon 2, because we're going to divide by 2 both sides, equal to 6x divided by 2. Okay, so this will cancel out. 2 into 2 goes 1 time, 2 into 2 goes 1 time, so these are cancel out. The 2 into 6 goes 3 times, so the answer here would be 3. Alright, so the answer will be x equal 3. That would be the answer. So now let's check to see if this is correct. So we're going to check by each side. So if I put the value of x to be 3, would it make both sides of the equation equal? So let's talk about it now. Left hand side, L H S. Left hand side. So let's look at the left hand side. So the left hand side would be 5x minus 2. Okay, so if x equal to 3, then it would be this would be just 3, x is 3, minus 2. So 3, 5, that's 15. Minus 2 equal 13. Okay, so let's do the right hand side now. Right hand side that would be 3x plus 3x plus 4, sorry. Okay, so let's plug in our value. X is 3, so this would be 3, open bracket, 3 plus 4. So 3 times 3, that would be 9, plus 4, that equal to 13. So the value is indeed 3 because both sides equal to 13 when x equal to 3. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video and see you next time. Thanks.